and there and there. There's 2 screws that go to each one of those. Those screws are accessed with a Torx bit up in there like this and like this. You can't see what you're doing when you're coming in here. You'll be hitting this all over the place. You have to find the head of the screw, rest it on the head, turn it, and fall in place. So that, and then also on the bottom, you're doing it over here. Again, you can't see up in here. The tool is up in there. You can't see it. So somebody asked me to do this in my Tommy Chong imitation. This is not something I do. This is just something I just thought up just now on the fly. Hey, this is something I do, man. Well, not really, man. Like, I just thought it up, man, just now. But I take little bitty O-rings, man, and put them over these screws, man. Takes a minute to get them all the way down, man. I'm not gonna like waste all your time, man, but if I just do one, you get it, man. So when I put this in there, man, those are gonna be staying in place, man. So when I come in here blind, man, and I can just hit this, and then I'm good to go, man. And those little O-rings are even not like they're even there, man. I mean, they'll just flat and crush out, man. I got one more, man. So, just something I thought up just now, man. Sometimes I get in deep thoughts, man. Hello, man. Thread that thing on there, man. So here we go, man. I can put this thing in, shake it all around. All my screws are gonna stay there. I can stab it up in there. One more screw right here, man, but that's the last one, and you can actually see that one pretty easy, man. So let me see, man. Alright, I'm done, man. Hey, try it now, man. Hey, hold on. Try it again, man.